Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our Service Management Leadership YouTube channel. Please take a look around, look at some of the other videos. Hope they provide value to you. And we do thank you for watching. Today's topic is the service desk, and I want to give 3 simple ways to reduce call volume. Now, some are easier than others to put into practice, but they're very straightforward. Number 1 is create a robust knowledge management process, system, something that helps people, users, answer their own questions, to be able to go look it up. Because what happens is a lot of people call your service desk out of default, when really, if they were equipped, they could go find their own answers. We all know this to be true, right? If they wanted to know what this new thing was on their desktop, they go search it. They go look at the knowledge articles. Hey, coming, and it may be 3 years old. Hey, coming X date, here's what this new logo is. All that fun stuff. And so creating a knowledge management system or process, I use those words interchangeably only because most people do. And so I really prefer the process side, but some people just think of creating articles and putting them into SharePoint. Whatever it is for you, that's fine. Number two has to do with creating a robust self-service for your service requests on the front end of your ITSM tool. So this is 2 parts. One is creating those in the tool, so they're routed correctly, all that fun stuff. Number 2 is equipping people through training on how to do this. You need to teach them how to put in a service request. There are many people, even in IT, that don't know how to do so. And they call the service desk and waste time. I use the word waste because it is. They take up 5 minutes of your service desk people's time when it takes them 30 seconds to use the tool. It's crazy. Now, third and lastly is teaching your users how to create their own incident tickets. Why? Because they just know something broke. They don't know why, and it doesn't matter why. But instead of them calling the service desk, why don't you have it where you train them how to put in an incident? An incident ticket's very easy, right? And how do we help them do so? There are 2 other things I want to add. Number 1 is if you reduce these quick calls to your service desk, think about your service request. Can I have more information from X? Service desk person inputs the same thing from the same tool that you could have as a user, and then it routes to whoever it needs to. So all they're doing is double dipping. They're doing the same thing you could have, just like with the incident. It's crazy. All we need to do is equip these people how to do it. Yeah, there'll be some that don't do it, but as we get rid of all these short calls, it means the only ones left are our long calls. So we may have less volume, but our average call in length will be expanded. The math works, trust me. We will talk about that in another video. But also what that does is equips your people, because each one of these takes less time to find the answer on the knowledge management, to put in their own service request, put in their own incident, than it does to call the service desk. So that's your value proposition. Your value proposition is, let me help you save more of your time. And it really helps you in the service desk too. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our Service Management Leadership YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave us comments below. We do enjoy seeing those comments. Feedback's great. Have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye.